See, I know because national service last 3 weeks ago, and I be your deployment of nurses.
Oh, okay.
You deploy about 18,614 nurses. As Antimantem, a little over 5,000.
Wow.
Yes. Okay.
Registration,
but there are some people who have challenges. The hospitals are na also you post you to certain places. Registration.
Okay.
So national service are here with regards to postings today. BBR the Nakwem.
Okay.
Over the mainstream, which is the universities and technical universities in Zua. Now what you release pin codes. Send a bear to me, I register in your national service number.